In today's edition of Tips and Tricks, I will show you how you can replace null values with zeros using a no-code approach and model. Here's a sample model using our standard sales sample data. Every now and then, we will encounter items that have null values that we may want to replace with zero values, so we may be able to do a simple count or calculation on those fields. In this example, we'll use returns measure. Notice the null values as I scroll through the column. The first step will be to bring the convert node from column operations, which is helpful when you want to change the data type of a given column and generate a new column that may not exist in the data source. Once you've connected the nodes together, go to your Properties window, select the column you want to convert and the data type you may want to convert it to. For this one, we'll convert it to a string data type. Next, add the replace node, so we can replace the null values with zero values. After the nodes have been connected, in the Properties window, select the column you want to replace. Specify the value you want to look for in the column, which is null, and fill in the value you want to replace this with, which is 0. We'll keep the default values we have here for now and input a name for our converted field. Let's then preview the data and notice that now all the null values have been replaced with zeros and are converted returns column. Lastly, let's convert the column back to integer, since this is a measure data element that we want to be able to use in calculations. We do so by using the convert node one more time, select the column, and select the new data type, which is integer. And now let's preview our data one last time. And that is how you use convert and replace nodes to manipulate columns or data items to conform your data to what you need for your analysis.